Look at this Instagram page, Joltion. With just 140 posts, it's pulled in over 1.5 million followers. And nearly every reel hitting views in the harsh millions. But here's the real question. Where does he get his visuals? How does he edit? What voice does he use? I'm going to break it all down for you, step by step. Joltion's entire viral strategy, I've broken it into 5 powerful pillars. And at the very end of this video, I'll reveal a bonus trick, one that can literally double your income pages like this. Guess what? Even Joltion isn't using it yet. So if you want to unlock the full strategy, watch till the end. No skipping. Pillar 1, ideation. So how did a page like Joltion blow up this fast? 2 words, dark psychology. It's one of the most addictive topics on the internet. Why? Because it taps directly into what people secretly think and feel. Jealousy, mind games, ego, power, obsession. It's emotional, it's intense, and it gets clicks like crazy. But how do you come up with content ideas like this consistently? Simple. Reverse engineer. Take a screenshot of Joltion's feed and drop it into your research doc and use this exact prompt. Act like a viral Instagram strategist. Give me 25 short-form content ideas around dark psychology, focused on relationships, ego, and emotional control. Within seconds, you'll get viral-ready ideas like know what they truly think of you, don't chase, attract, reverse psychology that makes her obsessed. These are the kinds of hooks that get millions of views every single time. Once you've got a good idea, the next move is turning that idea into a viral script without writing a single word manually. Let's move to that next. Pillar 2, scripting with AI. So you've got the idea, but how do you turn it into a killer script? Easy. You don't write it manually. Open up ChatGPT and use this exact prompt. Write a 150-word Instagram reel script on topic in English mix. Style should be emotional, bold, and dramatic. Use short, punchy lines like Joltion's content. Replace topic with whatever hook you chose. For example, know what they truly think of you. You'll get something like, she's ignoring you, not because you're boring, but because you're always available. Sounds familiar, right? That's the vibe you want. But you're not done yet. Tweak it. Cut any robotic phrases like unlock your true self or discover the secret. Avoid long English blocks. Stick to short, powerful lines that hit emotionally. It should feel like your inner voice. Relatable, direct, and dramatic. Once you're happy with the flow, drop it into Google Docs and get ready. Because the next step, it's where the voiceover brings it to life. Pillar 3, voiceover and audio editing. Now that your script is ready, it's time to add the soul, voiceover. But here's the twist. Your voice should sound nothing like a typical AI bot. It needs to be intense, emotional, and raw. Just like Joltion's Reels, go to 11 Labs and choose the V3 model. Why V3? Because it allows multi-character voices with better expression control. Then comes the fun part. You want something with a goofy, mysterious vibe, the kind of voice that hooks attention and feels unpredictable. So I head to the search bar, type in goofy, and scroll through the options. And after sampling a few, this one hits perfectly. It's playful, eerie, and has just enough weirdness to stand out. That's the tone we want. You don't need to name the voice. Just save it once it sounds right. Paste your script in segments, match the voice to the emotion of each line, and fine-tune the timing between parts for flow. Once generated, download the voiceover and drop it directly into CapCut. Now here's a pro tip. Apply 3 simple effects. 1. Silence reduction. 2. Cut dead air. 2. Auto gain for balanced volume. Speed up by 3 to 5% for higher retention. You'll notice the voice hits harder, crisp, clean, and attention-grabbing. And that's the kind of sound that hooks users in the first 3 seconds. Next, let's move to creating your Reels visuals with eerie aesthetic images. Pillar 4. Visuals and background creation. Now let's talk visuals, the look and feel of your Reel. You don't need a camera, you don't need actors. You just need the right background visuals that match the dark psychology vibe. Now open Pinterest. Search terms like broken heart art, mystery shadows, or abstract glitch. You'll find images that feel cinematic, emotional, and weirdly relatable. Download 10 to 15 of these images and grab a few short video loops if something catches your eye. And if you want something even more custom, you can also use Leonardo AI to generate completely original images or short video loops. Many creators are already doing this to give their Reels a signature, stylized edge, and it's working. Whether you're pulling from Pinterest or prompting with AI, the goal is the same. Match the emotion of your script with visuals that feel haunting, relatable, and cinematic. Now, for sound effects and background music, head over to pixabay.com, search for keywords like suspense music, riser, impact, or ambient mood. You'll find free soundtracks and SFX you can safely use in your edits. Once you've gathered all your assets, bring them into CapCut, because now we're going into the part that makes or breaks the reel, the editing, where we add the motion, the emotion, and those tiny tricks that separate a scroll past from a reel that hits 1 million views. Let's dive into it next. Pillar 5, full editing flow in CapCut. Here's where the magic happens. CapCut editing. This is how you turn raw voice and visuals into a viral reel. Step 1. Import your voiceover first. Drag it to your timeline. This sets the foundation for pacing. Step 2. Add your visuals. Drop in your Pinterest images and videos. Sync them with the emotion in your voiceover. Zoom in slowly for tension. Fade in the blurred face shot during lines like "she's ignoring you." Add short transitions between scenes like flash, glitch, or blur, but don't overdo it. Step 3. Background music and SFX. Drag in your suspense audio from Pexels. Lower the volume so it doesn't overpower the voice. Add riser, impact, and glitch sounds at key moments, like right before a line hits hard. Step 4. Final polish. Add filters. Use the 4K filter for sharpness. Then adjust vignette and grain under Adjust. Zoom your visuals slightly to center focus and apply a soft blur between transitions. And boom, your reel is now high-converting, scroll-stopping content. Let's see.
You'll never know what they truly think of you until you go silent. No texts, no calls, no updates. Pull back, disappear. Watch who checks in, who fades out, and who pretends you never existed. Some people didn't love you. They loved the access to you, the energy, the attention, the convenience. Silence exposes everything. No performance, no masks. It shows who's real and who's just comfortable. You're not hard to love, you're just hard to use. So, if you want to know the truth, stop showing up and see who misses your presence, not just your benefits.
Killer man. What if you could take this exact same script and turn it into a product you can sell? That's what we cover next. Bonus strategy: turn your content into an ebook. Here's the part almost no one talks about, and even pages like Joltion aren't using it. If your content is resonating with viewers, why stop there? Package that same knowledge into a digital product. Think about it. If people are liking, sharing, and saving your reels, they're ready to pay for more. Just open ChatGPT and ask it to act like a dark psychology expert. Tell it to give you 10 chapter titles around topics like manipulation, breakups, and emotional triggers in relationships. Once you like the outline, go deeper. Ask for the full chapters in a casual, punchy tone with real-life examples. In just one sitting, you'll have a full ebook that feels authentic and binge-worthy. Now take that content, polish it in Google Docs, design a clean cover, and export it as a PDF. Upload it to Gumroad, add a catchy title and description, and set your price. $5, $9. It doesn't matter because every sale is pure profit. And with just one link in your Instagram bio, you've opened a whole new stream of income. While others are chasing likes, you're building assets. You're not just making reels, you're building a brand, so don't wait. Start now, because it's never too late to create something valuable and start earning from what you already know.